My name is Evelyn Lyons McGuire. I'm a student at Thaddeus Stevens College of Technology in the Computer Integrated Machining program. For end-of-year project, I got the opportunity to use a Haas DS30 lathe and a VersaBilt robot arm to load the lathe for these fly cutters that I was making. I used an angled head for live tooling on the lathe turret to mill this angled section. And I also got the opportunity to use this Philips VersaBilt robot to load and unload the machine. I had to make sure that my chip control was good. Once I had it set up, I didn't have to stand here by the machine, making sure everything was running right. Once I had everything set up, I could just press go and walk away. This robot, it was completely new to me. I'd never used any kind of robot automation technology like this. It was really a test of all my different machining skills and automation skills that I've learned this year.